So hey guys, it's your friend Tech Freaky Boss again, and to tell you about this, the narrator app which I uploaded just 2-3 days ago, I am just going to give a tutorial on that, on how to use it. You can go to your preferred browser. I am using a PC, so I am going to Chrome, or if you have a phone you can use Chrome in there also. So in that you just need to go to naturalreaders.com. So you can just click enter. It's just going to open over here. This is the app I was talking about, my friends. You can use it as a Chrome extension and as an online reader too. So I would suggest if you use it this narrating app daily, then you can add this extension to Chrome, just like add to Chrome. Then it redirects you to this thing. Then you can just put add to Chrome, add extension. So it is just going to get added. So now it's checking. Eventually I think I'm going to get it. I don't know. We'll check on that later. And next is the online reader option. So if I click on the online reader option, I don't know what is happening over here. Some file is getting downloaded. I think so. It is adding to Chrome. It is the natural reader. So dyslexia font is just like a bold type of font. So it is that option over there. So to show you, I can just write, hi guys, follow me on Insta. So you just press the play button and it just narrates it for you.
Hi guys, follow me on Insta.
I think you might have heard it, but just to make sure you have heard it, let me play it again.
Hi guys, follow me on Insta.
So if you have heard that, then it's good. You can use it like that, or you can upload this somewhere. If I go to upload option, then it will just upload it on your computer, or you are going to just upload a PDF file. To tell you, then I think I should have a PDF file. Which one I can do? I do a lot of personal projects also. So let me do this one. Yeah, so this is getting uploaded. So let it get uploaded so that I can show you that afterwards. I'll just get down on this, and you can convert this thing you can convert this file to an MP3, or you can share it with someone or speakers. See, this is the speaker that is going to narrate. See, this is a premium, and if you take a plus, then this is the plus options that happen. But I have the free one, so it only has English in the US and UK. It's not English India. And you can down the speed. I can put it 2 down or 2 up. That's the options. And this dark mode is a dark UI mode. So let me show you that. See, everything got dark. And I already talked to you about the dyslexia font. You can increase the volume of the narrator to up to like 100, but I suggest you to keep it in like 75. You can keep it on 75. Word highlight option to highlight each word. I just on it and see. This is your computers, but you can read selection.
Insta.
It just reads out the words for you. Now let us check on uploading. Successfully uploaded. So I'll just click over here. It's just loading now. Just wait a second. See, now I can play it.
Do you know who was the first youngest Indian who earned the International Master title? Yes, I am talking about the one and only Viswanathan Anand. Anand learned to play chess from his mother when he was 6 years old. By the time he was 14, Anand had won the Indian National Sub-Junior Championship with a perfect score of 9 wins in 9 games.
So you can use this app like this. If you want to use it a lot, then you can just upgrade if you want. But I suggest you to go with the free version. But you think what voices you're getting, robo voices you're getting are not understandable, then you can always go for the upgrade option. I don't use it a lot, so I don't want to do that.